Gonna make a quick video on the fly due to a recent announcement by BlockFi and not accepting new users to be able to earn interest off their crypto. They do offer other things, but that right now is what the SEC settlement was regarding. Now, just to clarify, existing users on BlockFi are able to still earn interest. Nothing has changed for you guys that already had an account pre this settlement. And BlockFi has made an announcement. But just like all crypto videos, guys, I just have to do a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is just information letting you know what's going on. But I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Now, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's move on to the video. And also, let's go to screen capture here, and we're gonna go ahead and show you a few things with the CEO and co-founder as well. All right, this is Zach Prince, the CEO and co-founder of BlockFi. And right here, let's go ahead and scroll down his feed here. And this, actually, I just watched this. Sorry, there's an ad right here, but this video right here, that obviously is muted right now, it's like a 3-minute video, and he actually corrects the interviewee and states what I just stated, that existing users are still able to earn interest, but new users, they're working with the paperwork and whatever that takes to get new users back up and running. But new users can still take advantage of their 5 other different options on their website. And then as you scroll down to his feed, open letter right here, and then he has like, I think 11 out of 11 tweets. If you start reading through that, he'll talk about that as well. Cutting in really quick, this only affects US-based customers. For international users, this does not apply to you guys. You guys are going to be earning interest. New customers can sign up, but if you are within the US, new customers cannot sign up for their crypto earning interest platform, but there are other ones you can't. So that is great news, but not great news if you are a new user or want to join a platform like that. So there's option number 2, which is growing and getting a lot of hype, actually, especially after the Super Bowl. LeBron James is now representing Crypto.com. Matt Damon got hired as their actor for their advertising before LeBron James. So if you still want to earn a high interest amount on your crypto, then definitely join Crypto.com like as soon as possible. I recommended this to my buddy as well, because if this happens with Crypto.com, again, I have no idea if their paperwork's different. I'm not sure. Maybe BlockFi was just singled out. SEC wanted to go after them, lay the hammer down. I'm not exactly sure. What I'm telling you though, again, not financial advice, but if you do want to earn interest, I would join Crypto.com ASAP so that you can lock yourself in as a new user before, God forbid, something happens like this to them, if they decide to go after them for a similar thing. Now with Crypto.com, I actually signed up for it and it was all done over the app. I actually went on their website and it directs you to downloading the app, signing up through the app, getting verified. It was actually a very quick process and definitely pretty easy. Now with that said, if you do want to sign up, if that interests you, use my link below. You will get $25 of their crypto token CRO. Now with that said, there's some small print, so definitely read that. But if you do want to sign up and you do want to use the link in the description box below, I'll also pin the comment in the comment section. Use that link to sign up. You'll get yourself $25 USD worth of their CRO token again. And again, not financial advice, but if the CRO token heads up like the Binance Chain token, that thing skyrocketed. Again, it's just all speculative right now, but they have a good marketing pushing their name out there. Staples Center just switched over to Crypto.com, so there might be big things in the books. I'm not sure. So just wanted to make that video clarifying BlockFi and Crypto.com. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on the way out. Helps the channel in the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to more videos like this, tech reviews, and DIY house remodel projects. Once again, that referral link for free 25 is in the description box and comments below. Take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.